In this video, we're going to take a look at finding angle measures. We're going to use the fact that the three angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So we're going to write an equation, solve for x, and then we'll be able to plug that x back into the three angles and figure out what they are. So we're going to take the first angle right here, which is x. We're going to add to that the second angle, x plus 20. And we're going to add to that then the last angle of 210 minus 3x. And we're going to set that equal to 180 degrees. Okay, now we're just going to go ahead and solve for x. So we got x plus x minus 3x will give us a minus 1x. All right, we're going to go ahead and add the 20 and 210 to combine some like terms there. So we'll have plus 230 equals 180 degrees. Okay, then we're going to subtract 230 from both sides of the equation. We'll have a negative 1x is equal to a negative 50. Dividing both sides by negative 1 there, we'll have x equals 50. So now we know x equals 50. So for this angle right here, it's going to be 50 degrees. We're going to plug it in right here. So for x is 50 plus 20, that's going to be a 70 degrees for this angle right here. Right here, we'll have a 210 minus 3 times 50. 3 times 50 is 150. So 210 minus 150 is going to leave us with a 60 degree angle here. So we've got a 50 degree angle, a 70 degree angle, and a 60 degree angle. We could double check there, add those three numbers up, we will get 180 degrees. So pretty straightforward. You do have to know that the three angles in a triangle add up to 180. So you can take those algebraic representations of those angles, write an equation, and then solve the equation. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so that they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.